Good morning, children. Welcome to the math session. Today, I am going to explain the new topic, that is data handling. Data handling part 2. So in the data handling, directly we will go to the exercise number 3.2. So after the 3.2, we'll start exercise 3.2. Okay. So 3.2 a little bit introduction is there. That's why I am going to the exercise number 3.2. Part 2. Okay. So 3.2 is totally dependent upon the pie chart. You people already know about the pie chart. Pie chart is nothing but one of the circle. How many angles are there? Totally 360 angles are there on the circle. Okay. So let us solve the question number 1. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart shows the finding of this survey. Okay, so beside that question, pie chart is there. Classical music 20%, light music 40%, folk music 30%, and classical music 10%. He has given in a percentage. He has not given in a angles. Okay, next, from this pie chart we have to answer the following questions. Question number 1. The first main A. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Okay, so how to do this? 10% is okay. So otherwise, total number of cities how much? 1000 are there. Means the total number of people are 1000. First one, 100% indicates 1000. Okay, next 10% indicates x. So you can take like that. If 20 people is there, so let us take it as 20%. 20% is to x, do the cross multiplication. X into 100, 20 into 1000. X is equal to 20 into 1000 divided by 100. These two zeros will cancel. 20 into 100 is equal to 200 people. So how many people like classical music? If it is 20%, 10% means what? 100. If it is 20%, this is 20% is there. That's why 200 people like the classical music. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? According to the pie chart, 40%. Okay. So option B, light music, because of 40%. Okay. Option C, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type of would they make? First we go to the semi-classical music. Semi-classical music. What is the percentage of semi-classical music? 20%. 20 out of 100 and 2000. We cancel. How many CDs we get? 200 CDs. Second, light music. So light music is how much? 40%. 40 out of 100 into 1000. We cancel. 40 is 400 CDs. Next, folk music. How much? 30% is there. 30 out of 100. The number of CDs are 1000. This will cancel. The answer is 300 CDs. And finally, what is that? Classical music. Classical music. 10 out of 100 into 1000, which will get cancelled. How many series? 100 series. Clear, children? First main A answer, this is B, and this is C. So only people are having with the textbooks. Refer the questions from the textbook, and these are the answers. Just write down answers. Okay children, now we will solve the question number 2 from exercise number 3.2. Question number 2 is, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, rainy, winter and summer. So beside that he has given a tabular column, summer season, rainy season and winter season. Summer season, totally 90 people have marked voted for the summer season, 120 people rainy season and 150 people winter season. Okay, so from question number 2, A, option A is, which season got the most votes? So according to the tabular column, 150. What is that? Winter season. First answer is what? Winter season. Totally 150 people. Option B, find the central angle of each sector. Okay, so let us find the central angles. Okay, next term, option B, central angle of each sector. Each sector. So let us take one by one. First one, summer is equal to 90 degree out of 360 into 360 degree. Clear up? Because we have to take summer season and total number of votes. Already has given 360. So 90 divided by 360. What is the angle? Total angle of pie chart 360 degree. These two will cancel. The central angle is 90 degree. The number is denoted as a angle. Next one, summer. Next one, rainy. Rainy season, 120 out of 360 into 360 degree. These two will cancel. The answer is 120 degree. Next one, winter. 150 divided by 360 into 360 degree. This will cancel. The answer is how much? 150 degree. Option C, pie chart. Okay. So what he told, draw the pie chart to the following to show this information. So let us take the pie chart. Okay, center is 0. We'll start from here. Let us take as A. What is the first angle? 90 degree. So this is 90. AOB is how much? 90 degree. Next 120. So this is 170. We'll take here. This is 120. A, B, C, and remaining is what? 150 degree. This is 90 degree, and this is 120 degree. And next. Okay, and remaining 150 degree. This is summer and this is rainy and this is winter. Okay, just write an answer children, practice the sums. Okay, just take it.